It's your girl Crystal. Come dye my hair with me. Yikes, I know I'm on here looking dizzy. Okay, y'all, let's get right into it. I use the Loreal highlights and I use the magenta and red. So I'm using 3 boxes, 2 boxes of magenta and 1 box of red. You're going to need Vaseline, a towel, 40 volume developer. I got some gloves. We're also going to use a treatment mask for our hair once it's done. I thought I had a hair coloring bowl, but I didn't. You see, that's a nail ball, so we're not going to use that. Throw that to the side. And those are my other boxes for my weave when I dye it. And yeah, y'all, this is all that I use. This is all I use. I used a raggedy bowl because I didn't know how much this was going to make. I didn't know how much I needed. I basically, at the end of the day, I ended up using about at least half of that bottle of 40 volume developer. So you're just going to speed this up and you guys can see how I did this.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, 2-turn baby girl, you know me, still with the dolls that I grew beside, all the niggas round me, right and they die, gotta watch the time cause it's flying right by, I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, 2-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one on hoodie, it's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting tense up. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT, 2-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right and die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. 2-turn, baby girl, you know me. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT, 2-turn, baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right and die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. 2-turn, baby girl, you know me. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT, 2-turn, baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me.
So here, y'all, I'm trying to get the consistency right. I keep adding developer because it's still a little bit too thick. So I just added to thin it out a little bit. It's almost like you want it to be like a, kind of like a yogurt consistency. Like not too thin, but not too thick. All right, y'all. Y'all seen? I already mixed it up. Oh my God, y'all, look at the color. Okay, I think this the consistency is supposed to be. I don't know. I'm so excited and I'm scared. So what I'm going to do is put some Vaseline around my edges. Y'all didn't watch so many videos, so I had to stop. I was like, let's just do it because I was like, I just need to just do it because I was getting confused. I'm like, wait, should I? There was too many options. I guess this won't bleed on the skin. We used to do this when we get a perm. So I'm probably going to speed this video up. But yeah, y'all, I'm going from dark hair to red. My hair is clean. I was going to do it yesterday, but I had gel in my hair from this ponytail. So I Googled, should I dye it with gel? And it said, you probably should wash your hair, sis. Probably should wash it. So I washed it yesterday. That's why I'm looking like how I'm looking. Yeah, y'all. Oh, so excited. I've been wanting to dye my hair for the longest time. I think I'm going to split it into 4s. Ooh, ooh. I don't think that's supposed to happen. Was that Vaseline chunk? Oh, I got to get that out. Hold on, y'all. Oh, no. Hold on. Well, y'all, if it don't take right there, we know what happened. Well, I didn't even know I had that big old chunk on my hand. But yeah, y'all, I'm excited. If you are a DIY beautician, kitchen beautician sometimes like me, yes, I hope y'all enjoy it. And I hope it turns out good. I kind of want it to be like a burgundy kind of color. I don't want real red. I just want like a burgundy cranberry kind of color. This looking red. Let me put my glove back on. This looking red, y'all. So I'm excited. Okay, so I'm just gonna separate my hair into fours. I probably should. Let me make sure this is my hair detangled. Because I don't know. I really did not detangle my hair for real. I normally detangle it wet, but I washed it and threw it back in ponytail and went to sleep. Okay, y'all. Definitely make sure that your hair is detangled. Mine definitely needed just a little bit more detangled. I'm about to split this in fours. I got 4 ponytail holders right here. I am not a beautician. I'm just a girl at home that's coloring her hair. That's it. So do not come for me. I'm doing this the way I want to do it. I put it in a bowl. I used to have a coloring bowl. I have no idea where my coloring bowl is at. And I was like, I'm not buying another one. I could just use that old raggedy bowl and keep it moving. I took out I had a sew in before this. So I took that down. And I was debating like, should I have got braids or whatever? Because I'm actually going to do a pronto in my head, I think I'm gonna do it. But I still want to get my hair cut, my real hair cut. That's why I'm just dyeing the whole head. Y'all did not detangle this good. When I say I'm just like ready to get this color in here and get it done. All right, let's leave this one out. Yeah! Y'all excited for me? Okay, let's do it. I do have on the shirt I do not care nothing about. I do have a towel down over my sink because my sink is white. So, I really don't care about the shirt because this towel is in the way a little bit. We're about to see. I feel like I'm all up in the camera. What's happening, y'all? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join the C Crew. We do some DIY stuff over here. Here we go. Y'all, I'm just doing this. I probably should have put a towel on the floor. I know a beautician is screeching right now. Do not mind me. I know they like, girl. It's gonna get covered up, y'all. Give me a second. I should have brought my other mirror in here. Oh yeah. So I'm glad I didn't make it no looser, like the consistency, because I don't want it to be sliding and falling everywhere. So yeah, we're just gonna cover the hair. Y'all, I love doing stuff like this. I don't be having no method to it. I be watching all these videos. And I'll be like, yeah, I'm just gonna try it. I'm gonna try to work faster. It do smell like dye, like ammonia a little bit. Because I probably got 40, I don't know what some smell like ammonia. All right, let me speed this up. Ooh la la la. 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 It's the way that we rock when we doing our thing. Ooh la la la. It's the natural law that the refugee brings. Ooh la 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 la. Sweet thing. Y'all, I'm just feeling as I go just to get the product on the hair, and then I'm gonna bring out my mirror and see if it's any spots or anything I missed.
Yeah. This one I can do with the jabba. Me, I no get time, I did jabba. Dada cover my face, calling me jabba. Biggie man, wait until you get back. Tell me, what's it come? G-Wagon, all the Benz, the girls them, ride and whip. I no fit, die for nothing. What's it come? G-Wagon, all the Benz, the girls them, ride and whip. I no fit, die for nothing. Make you no say anything when you do, them must comment it. I can't come and keep myself. So anything when you do, I try to do my way. I can't come and keep myself. Plenty so far we face. Just to make sure money day. But my people then go say I know one time, I know one time, I know one time. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. Tell me, what's it come? G-Wagon, all the Benz, the girls them, ride and whip. I no fit, die for nothing. What's it come? G-Wagon.
And then it says when I'm done, leave it in for 30 minutes. So we're gonna do that. I'm moving fast, like you know how back in the day we get perm. I'm moving fast like that because I'm not familiar with the rubber. I just want to start processing. I don't want to over process my hair. Ooh, but it's strong in here. Got the door closed, but over here. We here with it. Some people kept theirs in 4s, but since I can't see, I'm just moving it around. Ooh la la. Ooh la la. It's the way that we rock when we doing our thing. Ooh la la. It's the natural law that the refugee brings. That did not take long, y'all. And I still got some left. Hold on, let me show y'all. Ooh, put that on my hand. I still got a lot left. So if I missed a spot, I got room. I should have brought a trash bag in here. But I got this towel down, so. We don't want to dye our nails. Ooh, it's cooking. I feel it cooking. I feel it cooking. Oh, hold on. Let me go get some more gloves so I can move it around. Y'all, them little Walmart gloves, I'm going to have to double up. I kind of got a little bit of red on the tip of my nails. So, yeah, I didn't think it had no hole, but I just think, I don't know. All right. I'm anxious and excited. I already got hair. It's already kind of turned. It look like. It do feel a little warm. So let me set a timer. So let me set the stove. It's 12:52. So yeah. So y'all kind of want. I think I want to get my hair cut. Like I want to get this on my door in a bob or whatever. It look like it's all covered. Do y'all see a spot? If y'all do, y'all can't tell me. Okay. Okay. Woo. I want to make sure my ends is covered since I still got a little left. I'm just going to put some more on the ends. Just cause. I can't remember. They were saying the new growth do faster or something do faster. Like, process faster. Can't remember. My earrings is red. I should have took my earrings out. It'll fade though. Oh, yeah. All right, y'all. I'm about to let it sit and for the full 30 minutes. Okay, let me stop manipulating it and just let it do its thing. But I'm just trying to make sure. That should be cool. You know what I'm saying? It looked like everything coated. So all right, y'all, I'll be back in 30 minutes. Yeah. Okay, y'all, I'm back. It still got conditioner in it. I used that pack of conditioner, but I just wanted to show y'all. I think it came out good. I did leave it on for 30 minutes. So I took a shower, did in the shower. You could do it in your sink because I just had to make sure the shower curtain was closed. That red was kind of going everywhere. Do y'all like it? Y'all see it? We did it. Ooh. Yeah. Oh, I cannot wait to do my hair. Get my hair done. Yeah, so I just want to pop on here. I still got about 15 minutes left for this conditioner. Then I'm going to rinse it out and I'm going to blow dry it. And I just show y'all a clip. But yep, this is how I dye my hair from dark to a red. No bleach. And this is no heat damage. So I do suggest like the reconstructor though, because it did feel a little dry in the shower. So thank y'all for watching. I'll be back with a clip of what my hair look like when it's finished. Bye. Okay, I wanted to pop on here real quick. I just blow dry my hair. It's the next day, okay? Y'all, it took. Y'all see? Y'all see? I need my ends trimmed bad. Do not come for me because I'm about to put this in a pronto. But I just wanted to come on here and show y'all like that it did take. I wanted to show y'all in a dry state. This is the color I wanted too. It's like a burgundy color. So I dyed my weave and I'm gonna do a pronto. Yeah, so y'all, I wanted to show you guys this. So if you're thinking about doing it, I think you should do it. Why not? Why not? And then when I take my pronto out, I'm gonna get my ends trimmed and probably chop it. But yeah, y'all, I just had to show y'all this in a dry state because the next time y'all see me when it's fully done, it's gonna have weave in it. So yes, y'all. The red took with the 40 volume. The method worked. It don't look blotchy. It do look a little darker on the ends, but yeah, y'all see it. I'll see y'all soon. Bye. Okay, y'all, this is a clip of me processing my weave, coloring it, and y'all, I left it on for about 12 hours, and of course we threw that bowl in the trash, And y'all, so the color took good, so I'm glad I left it on as long as I did. I left it on for 12 hours, so I wasn't sure. You know, weave is dark, so I wasn't sure. But y'all, it came out good. Look at that color. You see that burgundy? When you're a kitchen musician, I got it at home. This thing is so old, baby, but it still crank up. And I still hate sitting under the dryer. I was just looking at the clock like, that's maybe like, let me just do a video real quick. Because I only been under here 10 minutes and I got like 20 more minutes. But anyway, whatever. Y'all gonna see the after look. Bye. Hey, y'all. This is the final look. Do y'all like it? I love it. It matches. It blends so well. Oh, my God. Ooh. Y'all see it? So, yes, I had to come back with y'all with the final look. Springtime. Yeah, y'all see it. Y'all, do y'all like it? I did that. Look, it blend like good, y'all. So, yeah, I just had to come back and show y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Until next time, I love you guys. Don't forget to stay safe, stay strong, and show love. Bye.